Thanks. Are you filming me?
Ustaw się ładnie. Już? Czekaj. Niedobrze. Głupie miny robisz. No dobra, mów seks.
Thanks. Yeah, one more with the truck.
Okej.
Hang on, I'm finishing a panoramic tape.
Już?
Yeah.
There we go.
No. No mów.
Oh, thanks.
Okej. How's your panoramic doing?
Good. I got all later on. I shot a little low, but it has this function that lets you line up the last shot with the next shot, so you can sort of get them right in the same place. It should be cool.
All around though?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And you know what that peak is?
I don't actually. I was wondering the same thing.
Which one?
The tallest one, of course. You can see it quite a distance, so
Oh, over there?
it's pretty tall. Everyone gives a tall thing a name.
Bless you.
You think that's already Sierras? No, because that's south. Oh, is it south?
It's like southwest.